Welcome! In front of me I have Xlyne Siona XW Fit watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your Android phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Xwear application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Xwear application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see today's page. Now you can tap on the device icon in the top right corner. And on the device list, you should see your Siona watch. Tap on it. Here, select the option called Notifications. And now, if you see this message, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the notification access page or device and notifications, something like that. If your Android is newer than Android 11, I believe. Basically, on the Android 12 and above, it will be called something different, but basically it will redirect you to this page. And on this page, you will see list of applications. On the list of applications, find the Xwear application, tap on it. Tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow. And once you allow the notification access, you can go back to the Xwear application. And now you can enable and disable the notifications for some features and apps like calls, SMS, WhatsApp, Gmail, and other apps. If you want to receive the notifications about calls on your watch, enable the call notification. And of course, you will need to allow some permissions for it to work, like that. Next, we have the SMS. You can also allow it. Then we have WhatsApp. So this is basically specifically for WhatsApp. So if it's disabled and you receive the notification from WhatsApp on your phone, it won't appear on your watch. But if you enable it, it will appear on the watch. And if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on your watch, you can tap on the, or rather enable the option Other app. It will open the list of applications. And here you can select the app you want, enable the notifications for it, and then you can go back. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone, but we didn't get it on our watch for some reason. Let's open the application. And let's check the settings again. Oh, because the other app was not enabled. We need to enable it. Okay, let's check if the Discord is also enabled. It is. So let's try again. And this time we got it, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.